TheDuttyBerryshow here with none other than Tifa, Tifa in Jamaica, strictly 2K. How you felt about the performance and, being with the crowd?
You know, I kind of feel nervous because a long time I never performed at Kingston, but it was a joy. Just a year and I sing out and only nearly kill me for not sing spell it out. It was a joy, when I say that.
You could have never come to Jamaica, Tifa, and don't sing Spell It Out.
I know, and the national anthem, other than the national anthem.
Yeah. What does it feel like to be back here, just linking with your fans and your supporters? Because for many people, we know, say, it come like you left with. You left with Tifa, for go foreign, for go, but they have more money over there, better life and all kind of things, but how can Jamaica bring you back to come back here?
You know what's crazy? I'm back right now. I'm back.
Yeah.
So I'm back right now. I'm going to see way more. I mean, more singles. I go back in at the place, endorsements. Back like I never left.
Tifa, where dancehall is concerned right now, do you feel like you're underrated with all the contributions? Do you get that feeling sometimes?
Sometimes, yes, but you know what it is with me? I'm not one of those artists where if you eat a song, you should pick up on a billboard. You know what I mean? I don't pronounce everything, but now we live in the social media age. I'm having to talk the things.
Yeah.
You don't know? Grammy Award winning Tifa with Kabaka Pyramid, yeah?
I'm always going to say, Tifa has been that girl for a long time and she has hits. You don't have to take my word for it, just go and research and you realize that Tifa and a 1 hit, and a 2 song, and a 3 song, and a 4, it go there, and the girl can rap, freestyle, all kind of different genre. Where are you musically now? Are you experimenting, trying out probably Afrobeats?
Basically, I do everything. I have an album coming out, so I get everything for the album. But basically what I'm doing right now is merging what's happening with the new and maintaining the core principles. Because them always say, oh, them young artists, them not do this, them not do that, but I them reality. So I'm merging new with the staple.
Is there, talking about merging the new with, what people know Tifa to be, do you find any sort of pressure or, a difficulty going into this new, TikTok type of world where you have to kind of do music to fit that TikTok space?
You know what it is now? I'm just do music, I'm do music to make people gravitate to it and make people understand it and sing along to it, because I'm building soundtrack them to life. You understand? And then I took 4 years to actually understand, because I remember say when me boss TikTok and Instagram never really debut, so I have to kind of understand what's happening now and then submerge myself back in the thing.
Yeah. Where are you right now? Because I know when I didn't leave, it was because I love and them look something there and all them something they know.
That's a rumor. That is a rumor.
And that what I hear.
And that me hear say me run far into man, not go so.
Oh, so look at me now for us if I got a foreign.
No, listen, that was the rumor, but it wasn't that. But it was just really toxic at the time, and we just couldn't bother.
Honestly, a lot of people right now are at that stage where they feel like they just want to migrate, because sometimes here in Jamaica, especially the dancehall industry, can be very toxic. So for you, how is it now, trying to be back, in the local scene? How are you doing things differently to kind of avoid the toxicity?
You can't really avoid it, but I had 4 years to process and stay from outside and look inside and say who is who, what is what, and what the situation really is and how to maneuver. I know it's a different beast when I deal with our DEM.
Your Spice still good?
No, we're cool. We're cool. I'm so happy for Spice. I'm so happy that she's alive with her whole,
her
ideal, I'm glad, because she have her 2 penny them to live for. You know what I mean? And we need the females in the business because the space empty right now. We need that champion and do the things.
So speaking of Enjoy, Shensi has new song, Curious.
I don't know, I never listen to it.
Oh, okay. We'll be open for a collaboration.
Anything, yeah, I don't know.
No, what kind of other things are you putting your brand with now? Because you a corporate girl, You stay in a bag. Do you have anything upcoming in terms of a partnership
Well, you're looking at the new face of Dancehall Wellness. It's a big wellness facility in Florida and they're coming to Jamaica. And of course you guys know that taking injections to lose weight is all the new craze. So I'm the face that I watch my social media to see I lose 30 pounds in 3 months. Just taking injections.
But tell you Tifa, I always have a bag itch up somewhere, I would love to see a bank account right now. You can't show me the way forward.
Now.
Okay. So now that you're back in Jamaica, you have no people that run up in your DMs, Tifa?
Of course, all the time.
Oh, all the time?
Remember me have the original wine walk. So
okay.
All the time.
So the matey wine still a man them?
I want to TEM.
What gets Tifa angry these days? Can you seem to be very composed? What would get Tifa what the thing where grind your gears or get you for sure a different side?
When my bank account look like it's a dwindle down.
Okay. So like right now, it's good.
Alright, right now.
It's a nice little kind enough forget if I come and strictly 2K.
But you don't know the team have them money and them see.
Okay. Okay.
It is on the venue full. Okay. They have Chrome and Candy and IB and Gabriel and the whole team.
You know, Tifa, I have to say this now, like, honestly, more if you've been in Jamaica more, I do not want your contribution to dancehall to go overlooked. You get me? Like, what you did in terms of maintaining, like, hits, applying the pressure on people's neck year after year is no easy feat. I know you're humble to your own fault, you know, and you're getting to the idea of, like, talking your shit. And so I hope that for 2023 and beyond, you talk your shit and make people know, like, I don't want your legacy to get unknown.
Berry, I'm back. It's a whole different beast. It's a whole different ball game. I want to
M.
All right.
Okay, so hold on right now. So before we just wrap the interview here, we're going to just go through Tifa, like, hit factory, right?
Oh, and before you do that, brand new song, Sweet Song, produced by DJ Crow.
Why DJ Chrome? Okay, all right. What is the song about?
Man, if you say, oh, my sweet song, I want neat song, girl, I just do it song, Man, just a mad them. Anyway, I step, girl, I cause problem.
Yeah.
I have to change my name to plane, cause I just fly.
Yeah.
Man, them just a rush me, girl, them must say why.
Yeah.
I wish them could have been me,
Yeah.
and the late star,
Yeah.
but me, good, hey.
The angle is
Tifa, when all is said and done, you are going to present your best. Say you enter one competition, right? And you have to submit your best top 6 songs. Which top 6 songs you have to go draw for?
Of course.
Of course, yeah.
Matey Wine.
Matey Wine.
Jealous Over.
Yes.
Dash Out.
Dash okay.
We never sing it tonight, though. Granny Girl.
Oh God.
Bottom of the bar.
Me I bring in like Kitty Police. Because the music video when the
She my kitchen of me.
Yeah.
My name Star
Yeah. Which song would you say is one of your overrated songs where you personally love and you wish the fans them did like see the value of it more?
Overlook. Lyrical educated.
What was it? Lord God, Tifa, what was the song? Your crossover song, man, where
Back it up.
Back it up.
That's
Love that.
That's it.
Alright, so looking at the camera right now, and I just wanted to share a word for all of your fans and your supporters over the years.
Yeah, well, I don't know, it's a dirty IFA, it's Tifa. I have to spell it out, and all I have to say is ILOVEU. I want to TEM. I'm back.
Alright, take care. That is it for my interview with Tifa. All the best. I love that.
Me have to say, Duttyberry, oh, you sweet, sir. You want neat, sir. You just do it, sir. You just a mad them. Anyway, you step, you a cause problem. You don't know security I ever represent for none other than Duttyberry and the DuttyBerryShow. I want to